Welcome to 2050 Technologies that will change the world. Let's dive into 16 breakthroughs that could redefine how we live, move, and connect. Imagine massive solar-powered airships gently ascending into the upper reaches of our atmosphere. These aren't your grandfather's blimps. We're talking about colossal structures engineered with cutting-edge materials and powered by the sun's boundless energy. Floating serenely at the very edge of space, where the sky fades to black and the curvature of the Earth becomes strikingly visible. They would be above 99% of the Earth's atmosphere. Imagine the views. Acting as mobile launch pads for satellites, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional rocket launches. These airships could deploy constellations of small satellites into precise orbits, and serving as platforms for global internet access, bridging the digital divide and connecting remote communities to the World Wide Web. Imagine high-speed internet beamed down from these stratospheric platforms. These high-altitude giants, far from being a thing of the past, are poised to become a key part of our future infrastructure in space. They represent a new era of accessible and sustainable space technology, could revolutionize space access, offering a more flexible and adaptable approach to reaching orbit than traditional rockets. This opens up possibilities for more frequent and customized launches, making launches significantly cheaper by eliminating the need for massive single-use rockets. This could democratize access to space for smaller companies and research institutions, and far more frequent, allowing for rapid deployment of new technologies and constellations in response to evolving needs. This agility is crucial in today's fast-paced technological landscape. They'll also provide persistent Earth observation, offering continuous monitoring of our planet's climate, environment, and resources. This data is invaluable for scientific research and disaster management, and even offer luxury trips to the stratosphere, a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Imagine sipping champagne while gazing at the Earth from the edge of space, giving ordinary people a view of our planet that was once the exclusive domain of astronauts and highly trained pilots. This perspective shift can be truly transformative. Once reserved for astronauts, offering a profound sense of connection to our planet and the cosmos. It's a perspective that can inspire awe and a deeper appreciation for our place in the universe. The future of space is lighter, quieter, and more accessible than ever, promising a new era of exploration, innovation, and connection for all of humanity. In the ever-evolving landscape of robotics, a new era is dawning. An era where robots are not just pre-programmed machines but intelligent, adaptable partners. Meet Agibot X2, a general-purpose robot powered by advanced AGI, representing a significant leap forward in artificial general intelligence. It's designed to be more than just a machine. It's engineered to understand, learn, and interact with the world in a way that mirrors human cognition. Agibot X2 is able to learn, adapt, and assist in real-world environments. Its advanced algorithms allow it to process information, make decisions, and execute tasks with remarkable efficiency. Whether it's navigating complex terrains or solving intricate problems, Agibot X2 is designed to excel in dynamic and unpredictable settings. It can clean, maintaining hygiene and order in various environments, assemble, constructing intricate products with precision and speed, and even care for people, providing companionship and support to those in need. Its empathetic programming allows it to understand and respond to human emotions, making it a valuable asset in healthcare and assisted living facilities. Agibot X2 is moving with human-like dexterity and intelligence. Its advanced motor skills and cognitive abilities enable it to perform tasks with grace and efficiency, making it a valuable asset in a wide range of industries. Its tactile hands and agile movement let it handle everything from delicate electronics, requiring utmost precision and care, to elder care, providing comfort and assistance to seniors. Agibot X2 isn't just a tool. It's a collaborative partner for factories, streamlining operations and increasing productivity, hospitals, enhancing patient care and improving efficiency, and homes, providing assistance and companionship to families. The age of truly helpful robots is almost here, promising a future where humans and machines work together to create a better world. The Sea Dragon rocket is back, an ocean-launched, colossal rocket designed for heavy payloads. Built in shipyards and launched from the sea, it slashes costs and enables massive missions, from space stations to Mars vehicles. Using the ocean as a launch pad, it's all about brute force efficiency and industrial simplicity. If we want to build big in space, Sea Dragon is the workhorse to get us there. The rotational scanning microscope spins samples at high speed, capturing thousands of images from every angle. AI stitches these into hyper-detailed 3D models, revealing microscopic worlds in unprecedented clarity. Scientists can now watch proteins in action or inspect materials atom by atom. It's a revolution for medicine, biology, and materials science. The ring-wing plane ditches traditional wings for a closed, circular design, cutting drag and boosting efficiency by up to 30%. Stronger, lighter, and more stable, it's perfect for drones and electric aircraft needing long endurance. This radical rethink could make air travel greener and safer. Sometimes the best way forward is a complete redesign. Blue Ring Pathfinder is the space tow truck, extending satellite life, upgrading payloads, and cleaning up debris. It docks with satellites to provide propulsion or deliver new modules, making space infrastructure modular and sustainable. It can also capture and deorbit junk, preventing dangerous collisions. As orbits get crowded, Blue Ring is essential for a safe, flexible space economy. The future of space is serviceable and sustainable. The Aeronova airship is a solar-powered cargo giant delivering heavy loads to remote areas. No roads or runways needed. It cruises quietly for days, powered by the sun, and can land almost anywhere. Perfect for disaster relief, remote construction, or persistent surveillance. It's a green, flexible solution for global logistics and monitoring. Aemotion robots walk balance and carry loads with human-like grace even over rubble or stairs. Their dynamic movement makes them ideal for factories, warehouses, and search and rescue missions. They extend human reach into dangerous or complex environments. It's robotics that move with purpose and stability. The Liberty Residence System reinvents housing as modular, smart, and customizable. Think Lego for living. Plug-and-play modules snap into a smart building grid, letting you add, remove, or swap rooms as your life changes. Centralized systems optimize energy, water, and connectivity for the whole building. It slashes waste, adapts to changing needs, and makes urban living flexible. Housing becomes a service you shape, not just a product you buy. Imagine a pet that not only responds to your touch but also learns from its interactions with you. A companion that evolves with your family, adapting to your routines and preferences. That's the promise of the Underwater Jetpack, a sophisticated, six-legged, AI-powered robot pet designed to be more than just a toy. It's a glimpse into the future of personal robotics. This innovative robot learns, plays interactive games, and even teaches coding and robotics in an engaging and accessible way. It's designed to spark curiosity and foster a love for STEM in users of all ages. Jetpack opens doors to the world of programming and robotics, making complex concepts understandable and fun. Through intuitive interfaces and hands-on activities, users can learn to control and customize their robot's behavior. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms, it recognizes faces, distinguishing between family members and friends. Jetpack responds to voice commands, understanding and executing instructions with remarkable accuracy. You can ask it to perform tasks, answer questions, or simply engage in conversation. Furthermore, it interacts with its environment, navigating obstacles, manipulating objects, and adapting to changing conditions. Jetpack is bridging the gap between a simple toy and a truly intelligent companion, offering a unique blend of entertainment and education. Both kids and hobbyists can program it to perform custom actions, create unique behaviors, and even develop entirely new applications. You can train its vision system to recognize objects, identify patterns, and understand its surroundings with increasing precision. And with its advanced natural language processing capabilities, you can even have engaging and meaningful conversations. As these robots evolve, becoming more sophisticated and capable, they'll inevitably become true home assistants and companions, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives and providing invaluable support. Jetpack is a playful yet significant step toward a future where we live alongside intelligent, learning machines, enriching our lives in countless ways. Airloom's tethered sky platform hovers for months, powered from the ground, carrying heavy sensors or cargo. It provides persistent monitoring for agriculture, environment, or security, offering satellite-like coverage with drone-level detail. The platform can winch down for deliveries or launch drones to remote sites. It's a powerful, flexible eye in the sky for a connected world. Mighty Fly's hybrid electric cargo drone autonomously hauls heavy loads, no pilot, no runway, just fast, flexible delivery. It takes off vertically, flies long distances, and manages its own loading and unloading. Perfect for urgent medical supplies, factory parts, or connecting remote businesses. It's the middle mile of logistics, automated, efficient, and scalable. Voltero Casio is a hybrid electric plane for regional travel, quiet, clean, and efficient. Electric motors handle takeoff, and landing a combustion engine takes over for cruising and recharging. It cuts emissions by 20% and opens new routes for small cities, a practical bridge to fully electric aviation. The Eurodrone is Europe's high-endurance surveillance UAV, flying for 24 hours with advanced sensors for security, disaster response, and border patrol. Its detect and avoid tech lets it share airspace with commercial planes. Built for strategic autonomy, it gives Europe independent eyes in the sky. It's the cutting edge of unmanned aerial surveillance. The Underwater Jetpack lets divers glide and dart like dolphins, powered by silent, wearable water jets. It's intuitive, fast, and hands-free, transforming ocean exploration and research. Marine biologists, photographers, and rescuers can cover more ground, faster. It's a new level of freedom beneath the waves. The Aemotion Microcar is a tiny, all-electric city vehicle, agile, connected, and perfect for urban life. It fits anywhere, communicates with traffic systems, and can be shared on demand. Fleets of these could cut congestion, emissions, and parking needs. Small car, big impact for future cities. 16 breakthrough technologies, airships, rockets, robots, and more, are shaping a smarter, greener, more connected world. Not all will succeed, but the drive for efficiency, sustainability, and intelligence is unstoppable. The next decades will see rapid change as these ideas move from lab to life. Which one excites you most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.